Agriculture is the mainstay of the Indian economy and a source of livelihood for more than half of the population. Horticulture has emerged as the growth engine for the agriculture sector and contributes to more than one-third of the agricultural GDP. In the year 2019 to 2020, India recorded its highest ever horticulture production of 320.77 million tons, and production is estimated to reach 327 million tons in 2020 to 2021. Demand for fruits and vegetables is likely to double to 650 million tons by 2050. India is the second largest producer of horticulture crops in the world and the largest producer of mango, banana, papaya and guava. While the country accounts for approximately 12% of the global production, we still import produce worth Rs 15,000 crore every year. Low productivity, inadequate pre- and post-harvest infrastructure and other such constraints lead to losses ranging from 6 to 16% every year. Despite these challenges, there is a window of opportunity to enhance the competitiveness of the horticulture sector by adoption of a cluster-based approach. Several countries around the world have adopted this approach to address such issues. One such successful example is the banana cluster in Ecuador, where a group of provinces represent almost 100% of the total banana exports from the country. India too has over 100 horticulture clusters that have huge potential. For instance, Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh and Nasik in Maharashtra are promising clusters for exports of banana and grapes respectively. With a vision to strengthen and promote the cluster-based approach and boost the horticulture sector, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has conceptualized the Cluster Development Program. The program has been designed to support integrated interventions through three verticals: pre-production and production, post-harvest management and value addition, and logistics, marketing and branding. From high-tech nurseries and tissue culture labs, strengthening of post-harvest and packaging infrastructure to development of unique cluster brands, the interventions under these verticals will cover all the aspects of the value chain. These interventions will also leverage ongoing initiatives of development of multi-modal transport for efficient evacuation. The practices developed by various centers of excellence for horticulture crops will be integrated in this program, along with dovetailing of resources under government schemes such as Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, and formation of promotion of 10,000 FPOs. The ministry has identified 53 horticulture clusters, of which 12 have been selected for the pilot launch. Learnings and outcome of the pilot will be used to scale up the program. The program has been developed in tandem with state governments who will recommend cluster development agencies and play an integral role in smooth on-ground implementation. To support the National Horticulture Board and cluster development agencies in the robust implementation of the program, Grant Thornton Bharat has been appointed as the Program Management Unit. After successful implementation of the program in all the 53 clusters, it is expected to attract investments worth 10,000 crore, boost export of horticulture produce by over 20% and benefit more than 10 lakh farmers. The Cluster Development Program will boost the Indian horticulture sector by addressing challenges across the value chain and will place it at the forefront of the global horticulture market, thus changing the lives of our farmers.